Welcome everybody to this update of Market Mornings brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. And this update is for Friday. Yep, it is here. Friday, March 10, 2023. My name is Robert Roy. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So first, we're going to start off with our disclaimer. Basically, it says that everything we say is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something that you like, make sure you check that it fits and meets your own personal risk profile and your risk tolerance. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the latest and greatest of all the sites, the sources that we have out there. We put content out almost every hour now. We've got new content hitting the wires. So you want to check that out, right? Make sure you go to tradinglikeaboss.com so you can pick up on all of the free resources that we have available. So as an example, over here, you've got a class coming up today, Trading Coaches Playbook. I've got a free training that I'm putting on, Key to Be Free, that's coming up. You want to register for those trainings right here. Key to Be Free will show you literally what it takes for you to be set free with the market, right? Trading Coaches Playbook is a montage of our various coaches in there, each one taking a turn 1 week at a time, and sharing with you some amazing content of what they go through day in and day out. All right, if we look at economic reports, we got a biggie today on CNBC. They're calling it the biggest one of the month, right? Which is the average hourly earnings, the unemployment rate, right? We saw unemployment percent numbers yesterday, but now we're looking for the rate. What percentage, what's our unemployment rate? Is it 3%? Is it 8%? That's going to really hit home with what's going on with the Fed. And there's talks now of the Fed up by a half point this next upcoming cycle, right? We look at futures, kind of a mixed bag. We're down on the S&P by 6. We're down 77 on the Dow, better than we were. The NASDAQ's up 6, RUT's down 7. Bitcoin, man, there's all kinds of, what was it, SIVB. SIVB is a bank for crypto and startups in Silicon Valley. They're down like 50% overnight or something. They went from 100 and change, they're down $40 or $50 right now. They're getting slammed. Not one on our list. They don't even have options pricing right now with what's going on with it. I wouldn't be surprised if they lock that market up. But Bitcoin is hurt. Ethereum's been hurt because of it. Gold is up 5, not surprising. Crude is back down a little bit more today, 53 cents, 75.25. So I'm happy with seeing that number there. All right, let's go ahead and bring up our list of stocks. The very first one is Caterpillar. Woo, they are getting hammered, baby. They're down $3.86 to $2.37. They got a downgrade from UBS. Right, so a big smack for them. They're sitting right now at 237. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 240. So right above that level, we're looking for a spread, a credit spread for today. Right, DocuSign, DOCU, they are down $9 on a downgrade from JP Morgan and their earnings, right, both. So it is not pretty for them, that's for sure. Right, that puts them at 55.37. So man, we took the elevator. We took like a rope. We just jumped. Right, we broke through the 61.60. We broke through the 56.68. So if we go to 57 to 62, that's 5 points. We don't really need a fib in there. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above. You can go 57, but aggressive. I'd be very cautious with that one. Or you would do it above 62. I just don't know what premium you'll get since it's a Friday, how much is left. Right? Oracle, they came out with earnings, not looking good for them. They're also down $3.86. Ellison was talking before about it. They're down to $83, $83.01 right now. So let's pull this fib out. Right? So again, we went right through this 84.5. So we're going to do a bear call spread above 85, right? And we want to look at RBLX. Let's go get a bigger picture. Make sure the fib itself is still okay, and it's not. Actually, that's why I pulled it back. I meant to draw it and did not. So let's draw from here to here. We're going to avoid that little hiccup at the 50 percentile there. Right? Okay, beautiful. So now we're down $3.86. Nope, that's Roblox. Is up $1.35 in a mixed market. Be very careful with this one. Especially careful around the 8:30 announcements if you are trading futures or you're trying to do this pre-market with the stock. So this puts us now at 41.29. So we're right at that 41 level. We're going to do a bull put spread below 40, which is the 8 EMA. Right, but we're going to do it aggressive because it's not a fib line. It is the moving average, the pink line, right? The 8 moving average. We still got to look at SPX. I passed right up on that puppy. So we're at Ulta right now is our last stock on our list for today. We're down $9.83 to $510. We need a new fib on here. So I've gotten messages from people saying, why don't you just do all this work up front and we don't have to watch you do it and spend the time and you can go through quicker. I think there's so much more value in you seeing me do this than me just saying, oh, here's the fib. Me talking about why. You know, it's too big of a move already. We passed the negative 618. It's important we have a new level in there. So we're looking at 514 to 538, 14, 24, 34. So that's 24 points. We need to split this level in half. So we need to put in negative 136 and a 118. All right, let's see. So 510 is where we're at right now. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 514, which means we're going to have to go to 515 for that. And if you're wondering about Fibbits and how they work and what to do, guys, go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Right down middle row, left side, you see Fibonacci, today's power indicator. It's a free training 3-part series. It's about an hour long. Go ahead and pick that series up and learn exactly what it takes to utilize fibs the way that I do here. All right, if we go back and look at SPX, because I totally spaced on it and blew right through it, we are down again this morning on the S&P 500, another 5 or 6 points it was, I think. Right, so, but we broke through that negative 618, I mean, not negative, the 618 yesterday, the purple line. We pierced, blew right through that level on that massive candle yesterday, down 74 points on the S&P 500. So we're targeting 38.66 on the downside, 39.29 on the upside. If I can get a retest at the 39.29 this morning and a fail, man, it is Katie bar the doors. I am all in. All in. I'll be looking at SPY and some other stocks like these that are on my list. All right, with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now. Oh, actually, no, that's not true. Woo! Forgot to say this. Next week, we will not have market mornings. Sean is out of town the entire week. He does all the processing for us. I've got 2 or 3 days where I'm going to be out of pocket as well. So we'll pick it up the following week. Sorry about that, but it just made no sense trying to piecemeal it along the way if we can't get it done right. So I will see all of you the week after. Take care, folks. Bye for now.